Hey everyone, so I just wanted to say a massive thank you for helping me get to 100,000 subscribers. I'm actually standing just north of Hemsby in Norfolk, where I actually started one of my first videos on YouTube back in April of 2020, when of course we were all in lockdown. And I thought I'd come to this very spot to do an unboxing of my 100,000 subscriber silver play button. We'll come to the unboxing in just a sec, but before I do that, this is the moment when I actually managed to hit 100,000 subscribers. I caught it on camera. It took me about half an hour because unlike some of the big YouTubers when their subscribers are going up and down massively, mine were very slow. So it's about to happen. Question is, will it tease me and go up by one, or will it just jump to 100,000? I kind of want to see 99,999. This is actually in real time as well. 2 more to go. Go on, I just want to see 99999. 99,999. Why am I nervous? Please don't leave me hanging. Don't go down a subscriber now. That one person has no idea who subscribes next, what this is going to mean to me. I'm recording this on my phone. I really hope I don't get a phone call. Oh my god, that is incredible. Seeing that 100,000 subscribers. So here it is, and I've just realised that I actually haven't bought anything with me to cut this open with the sellotape, so I'm going to use my trusty Tesco club card. I hope this works. Oh no, I've just bent the club card. I'll have to use my key instead. Do you know, I didn't think this through. The sand is going to get absolutely everywhere. But here I go. Opening it up. So inside, I've got a lovely letter. Right, let's read this. How far you come. If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. And that's why today we're so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. Congratulations on this amazing milestone, just one of many, blah, 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 blah. We can't wait to see what you do next. Yours sincerely, and obviously that's not the real signature of the CEO, but a copy, but there you go. Look at that. And oh my God, I've got sand in it already. Hang on. Shout out to Rick, who packaged this personally. Thanks, Rick. This is probably the worst place to do an unboxing because I'm going to get sand all in this. Look at that. Look how shiny that is. Wow. With sand going in it already. Presented to Walk With Me Tim for passing 100,000 subscribers. To be honest, I think it's only right that it gets a little bit of sand in it. It's what the channel's all about, the British seaside and holidays and destinations away. It's so shiny. I just want to say a massive thank you if you have subscribed to my videos over the last 2 years. So maybe in another 2 years, I can get a plaque for 200,000. No, wait, hang on, you can't. No, the next plaque is 1 million. That may be some years. But I just want to say a massive thank you for supporting the channel. Some really exciting stuff coming up. I absolutely love making the videos and I really hope that you enjoy watching them. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I will see you very soon.